Welcome to another deep dive on navigating the crypto market.
Okay.
Today, we're going to be focusing on how to spot
Right.
when Ethereum might be ready to, take the lead over Bitcoin.
Okay.
It's a phase that some crypto analysts call stage 2 of the cycle.
Right.
So think of it like learning the secret handshake.
Yeah.
The crypto
elites.
elite,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
We'll be using Itapa 2 Cyclo Crypto as our guide today.
Okay.
So buckle up, get ready to decode some signals, and
Yeah.
maybe even pick up some actionable strategies along the way.
Absolutely. We're not just going to learn the lingo.
Right.
We're going to understand what makes stage 2 tick and how you might be able to capitalize on it.
Okay, let's unpack this whole stage 2 idea.
All right.
What is the core concept we need to wrap our heads around?
Imagine the entire crypto market is a giant pizza.
Okay.
At the start, Bitcoin is like the classic cheese slice.
Okay.
Everyone loves it. It's reliable.
Right.
It's the biggest piece. But then, as people get a little more adventurous, they start eyeing other toppings.
Yeah.
Maybe something a little spicier, like Ethereum. That's essentially what stage 2 is all about.
Okay.
A shift in momentum, a flow of money from Bitcoin to Ethereum.
Okay, I'm starting to see the slices shift here.
Yeah.
But how do we know when those adventurous eaters are about to make their move?
Right.
The source mentions BTC dominance, or BTC.
CD. What's the deal with that?
BTCD is basically telling you how much of that crypto pizza is still Bitcoin.
Got it.
If it starts shrinking,
Right.
it means people are grabbing other slices.
Yeah.
And Ethereum is usually the first one they reach for.
Right.
So a decreasing BTCD is like that initial signal that the market's taste buds are changing.
This is fascinating. I'm already starting to see the crypto market in a whole new light.
Yeah.
So we're watching that BTCD, waiting for it to shrink.
Okay.
What else should we be looking out for?
Another big clue is the ETH-BTC trading pair.
It's like watching Bitcoin and Ethereum go head-to-head in a wrestling match.
Right.
If ETH starts gaining value faster than Bitcoin,
Okay.
meaning the ETH-BTC pair is trending upwards, that's a strong signal that stage 2 is gaining momentum.
So we've got our eyes on BTCD shrinking and the ETH-BTC pair climbing.
Okay.
Is there anything else we can use to confirm our suspicions?
Keep an eye on the amount of ETH moving into and out of exchanges.
All right.
It's like checking the foot traffic at those pizza places.
Okay.
If you see a lot of ETH flowing into exchanges, it might mean people are getting ready to sell. Maybe they're full on Bitcoin and want to trade for something else.
Right.
But if they're pulling their ETH out of exchanges,
Okay.
it suggests they're holding on tight,
Yeah.
which could mean they're expecting the price to go up.
Okay, I'm starting to feel like a crypto detective here.
Yeah.
So let's say we're seeing all the signs.
Yeah.
BTCD is dropping.
Okay.
ETH-BTC is on the rise. And people are hoarding their ETH like it's the last slice of pepperoni pizza.
Yeah.
What do we actually do with all this intel?
Well, the most straightforward approach is to start accumulating ETH early on.
Okay.
Kind of like grabbing a few slices before everyone else realizes how good they are.
Right.
But there's another layer to this pizza analogy.
Okay.
And that's where things get really interesting.
Ooh, I love a good twist.
Yeah.
Lay it on me. What's the next level of this crypto pizza party?
Remember all the...
Yeah.
Well, the Ethereum blockchain is like the foundation for a whole ecosystem of projects.
Oh.
Kind of like having a variety of specialty pizzas to choose from.
Right.
These are called ERC-20 tokens.
Okay.
And they often see massive gains during stage 2,
Interesting.
riding the coattails of Ethereum's success.
So it's not just about grabbing a slice of plain Ethereum.
Yeah.
It's about exploring all the gourmet options on the menu.
Exactly.
Can you give me some examples of what these ERC-20 tokens are all about?
Think of things like decentralized finance, or DeFi.
Right.
These are platforms built on Ethereum that let you lend, borrow, and trade crypto without needing a traditional bank.
Right.
You've got protocols like Ava Uniswap, even MakerDAO.
Got it.
And then there's the whole world of NFTs.
Yeah.
Those unique digital collectibles that have taken the world by storm.
Right.
Many of those are also built on the Ethereum blockchain.
Wow, this crypto pizza is starting to sound like an all-you-can-eat buffet.
Yeah.
So we've got Bitcoin as our starting point.
Right.
Then Ethereum steals the show.
Uh-huh.
And then these ERC-20 tokens,
Yeah.
like DeFi and NFTs, get their moment in the spotlight.
Yep.
Is that how this crypto party usually plays out?
You're picking up on the pattern perfectly.
Okay.
And that's a crucial point. It's a cycle.
Yeah.
Bitcoin kicks things off. Ethereum takes the lead.
Right.
Then these smaller altcoins, fueled by the Ethereum engine, start to shine. But it's like a dance.
Yeah.
And eventually the music might change.
Okay.
Leading people to shift back to Bitcoin or seek stability in stablecoins.
So we need to enjoy the party while it lasts, but also be ready to switch up our dance moves when the rhythm changes.
Precisely. And knowing the steps to this crypto dance,
knowing
when to grab a slice and when to step back from the buffet, that's where the real strategy comes in.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Awesome.
All right, so we've laid out the crypto buffet.
Right.
And we're starting to get a feel for the rhythm of this stage 2 dance.
Yeah.
But let's get down to brass tacks.
Okay.
How do we actually turn these signals and insights into actionable strategies?
Yeah.
We talked about accumulating ETH early on if the indicators line up.
Right.
Any tips for timing those entries? It can't be as simple as buy when the chart goes up, right?
You're right. It's definitely not that simple.
Okay.
There's a bit more finesse involved.
Yeah.
Remember those support levels we discussed?
Yes.
Think of those as like the sale prices on the ETH-BTC chart. If the pair dips down near a support level, it could be a good time to grab some ETH.
So we're essentially bargain hunting on the crypto dance floor. Love it.
Exactly.
What about those resistance levels?
Yeah.
Do those play a role in our strategy as well?
Absolutely. Resistance levels are like those price points where the EPTTC pair has historically struggled to break through.
Yeah.
They can be good indicators for taking some profits.
Okay.
It's like knowing when to leave the party while you're still ahead.
Okay. So we're starting to get a feel for buying and selling ETH directly.
Right.
But what about navigating that whole world of ERC-20 tokens?
Yeah.
It's like stepping into a massive pizza expo with endless options.
Right.
How do we choose which slices to sample?
This is where your inner crypto detective really comes into play.
Okay.
Remember, these ERC-20 tokens represent actual projects built on the Ethereum blockchain. DeFi protocols, NFTs, each one is trying to solve a problem or create something new. So before you invest, do your homework.
So we're not just chasing hype, we're looking for substance.
Exactly. Look for projects with a solid team, a clear vision, and a proven track record.
Okay.
Check if people are actually using the platform and if there's a passionate community supporting it.
Okay. Due diligence on the crypto buffet line. Got it.
Yes.
Now let's talk about staking, which you mentioned is a way to earn passive rewards with your ETH.
Right.
It sounds amazing.
Yeah.
But there's that whole locking up your coins thing.
Yeah.
How do we decide if staking is the right move for us?
It depends on your crypto dance style.
Okay.
If you're in it for the long haul and you're comfortable with the idea of letting your ETH sit tight for a while, then staking can be a fantastic way to earn passive income while you ride the Ethereum wave.
So it's like putting your ETH in a high-yield savings account, but with the added bonus of potential price appreciation.
That's a great way to put it. But if you might need to access your ETH quickly, or if the thought of market fluctuations keeps you up at night, then staking might not be the best fit for your risk tolerance.
Okay.
It's all about finding the right rhythm for your investment goals.
Makes sense. We're not all cut out for the same dance moves.
Right.
Speaking of risk tolerance,
let's
revisit those more advanced, potentially risky derivatives.
Yeah.
We need to tread carefully here, right?
Absolutely. Derivatives like futures and options can be powerful tools for amplifying your gains.
Oh, okay.
It's like adding a turbo boost to your crypto engine.
Right.
But they also magnify your losses. So it's crucial to know what you're doing and never risk more than you can afford to lose.
So it's like choosing between the bunny slope and the black diamond run.
Exactly. If you're new to crypto, stick to the bunny slopes.
Right.
Derivatives are for more experienced traders who can handle the bumps and jumps that come with amplified volatility.
All right, so we've got buying ETH and ERC-20 tokens, staking and derivatives.
Yeah.
What about that last strategy we touched on, monitoring narratives?
Okay.
It sounds a bit esoteric.
Okay.
Any practical tips for staying ahead of the crypto gossip mill?
It's all about tuning your ears to the right frequencies.
Okay.
Follow credible news sources and analysts.
Got it.
Keep an eye on social media to see what's trending.
Right.
And join online communities to get a feel for the overall sentiment.
So it's like being a crypto anthropologist.
Yeah.
Studying the behavior and beliefs of the market.
That's a great way to think about it.
Okay.
Look for patterns and try to understand what's driving the narratives.
Uh-huh.
Are there major technological advancements?
Right.
Are regulatory changes on the horizon?
Right.
Is a new meme coin taking over Twitter?
Yeah.
These all contribute to the overall sentiment and can influence market movements.
Okay, so we need to be informed, discerning, and maybe even a little bit nosy when it comes to keeping our fingers on the pulse of the crypto world.
You got it. Remember, knowledge is your most valuable asset in this space.
Right.
The more you understand the market and the forces that drive it, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions.
Yeah.
It's all about continuous learning and adaptation, just like mastering any new dance move.
So we've got our strategies, our risk management plan, and our crypto anthropology toolkit all ready to go.
Yeah.
Anything else we should keep in mind as we navigate this exciting and sometimes overwhelming market?
The most crucial principle of all, and this applies to every aspect of your crypto journey, is risk management.
Okay.
Think of it as the safety net that allows you to dance freely without worrying about falling flat on your face.
It's like wearing a helmet while riding that crypto roller coaster.
Exactly. The first rule of risk management is to only invest what you can afford to lose.
Right.
Crypto prices can be incredibly unpredictable, and there's always the risk of significant losses.
So no betting the farm on a single spin of the crypto wheel.
Definitely not. Second, diversify your portfolio.
Okay.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Right.
Spread your investments across different assets to minimize your exposure to any one particular risk.
Spread the risk.
Exactly.
Any other risk management tips to keep us dancing safely?
Absolutely. Set clear investment goals and stick to your plan.
Okay.
It's easy to get swept up in the excitement and hype.
Right.
But don't let emotions drive your decisions.
So stay disciplined, stay rational, even when the crypto beat is pumping.
Exactly. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint.
Right.
Pace yourself, stay hydrated, and enjoy the journey.
This has been an incredible deep dive so far.
Yeah.
We've gone from understanding the basic dynamics of the crypto market cycle to exploring specific strategies for riding the Ethereum wave.
Absolutely.
But before we wrap up this episode, I'd love to hear some real-world examples of how these strategies have played out in previous market cycles.
Yeah.
It's one thing to talk theory, but seeing it in action can really drive the point home.
Yeah.
You know, it's funny, we've been talking about this whole stage 2 thing.
Yeah.
And it really does feel like we're learning a new dance.
Right.
But I'm a visual learner. I need to see those moves in action.
Okay.
Can we rewind the clock a bit and see how this Ethereum takeover has played out in the past?
Absolutely. History might not repeat itself perfectly, but it often rhymes.
Okay.
Let's take a trip back to 2017, a year that many crypto veterans remember vividly.
Okay.
Bitcoin was having its moment in the sun, soaring to new heights, reaching an all-time high that seemed unimaginable back then.
Right.
But then something interesting happened.
Right.
PTCD, remember our pizza slice analogy, started to shrink?
So the Bitcoin pizza was starting to lose its appeal.
Exactly.
What happened next? Did Ethereum step in to fill the void?
Precisely. As BTCD declined, Ethereum started to gain momentum. It wasn't just a gradual climb, it was a surge, a full-blown breakout.
Wow.
And it wasn't just ETH itself. Remember those ERC-20 tokens?
Yes.
Those specialty pizzas we were talking about?
Yes.
They went wild.
Right.
That was the year of the ICO boom.
Right.
And many of those initial coin offerings were built on the Ethereum blockchain.
Okay.
People were pouring in, eager to get a taste of the action.
Wow, it sounds like a full-blown crypto party.
Yeah.
But we've talked about how this cycle tends to play out.
Right.
What happened after the initial euphoria wore off?
Well, just like any good party, there's always a bit of a hangover afterward.
Yeah.
The 2017 bull market, like all bull markets, eventually corrected.
Right.
Prices pulled back.
Okay.
And many of those ICO projects, those once promising specialty pizzas, fizzled out.
Right.
It's a reminder that while the crypto market offers incredible opportunities, it also comes with inherent risks.
So ride the wave, enjoy the party, but don't forget to pace yourself and stay hydrated, right?
Exactly. That's where those strategies we've been discussing come into play.
Right.
By recognizing the early signs of a potential shift to Ethereum.
Okay.
That decreasing BTC, the rising ETH-BTC pair, you can position yourself to catch the wave early.
Okay.
And then as things heat up, Diversifying into promising ERC-20 tokens can amplify your gains.
But always with that crucial risk management plan in place.
Absolutely. Don't forget your helmet and your safety net.
Right.
Diversify your portfolio, set those stop-loss orders like a safety net,
Okay.
and never invest more than you can comfortably lose.
Yeah.
Remember, the crypto market is cyclical.
Yeah.
It's a dance of booms and busts. Learning to navigate these cycles is key to long-term success.
It really is like surfing. You want to catch those big waves,
yeah,
but you also need to know how to wipe out gracefully when necessary.
That's a perfect analogy.
Right.
And just like with surfing, experience is your best teacher.
Yeah.
The more you study past market cycles, the better you'll become at recognizing those patterns and making informed decisions.
Right.
You'll develop your own crypto intuition, your sense of timing, and that's invaluable.
So keep learning, keep exploring, and maybe, just maybe, we'll all be riding that next Ethereum wave together.
And even if you miss the initial surge, remember the crypto market is always evolving.
Yeah.
There will be new opportunities, new trends, new dances to learn.
Right.
The key is to stay curious, stay informed, and never stop exploring.
This has been an incredible deep dive.
It has.
We've gone from deciphering the basic language of the crypto market cycle to exploring specific strategies, and even taking a trip back in time to see those strategies in action.
Absolutely.
We hope this knowledge empowers you to navigate the exciting world of crypto with more confidence, and maybe even catch a wave or two along the way.
As always, remember to do your own research, stay informed, and never stop learning.
Right.
The crypto world is constantly evolving, and the more you understand it, the better equipped you'll be to navigate its twists and turns.
And with that, we'll wrap up this deep dive. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, happy investing.